Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring animal balloons step by step. Let's start drawing. First I draw a dog balloon. Starting with its nose, its eye and smiling mouth. Then I draw two ears. I draw its neck balloon. Then draw four legs like this. Finally, I draw a tail. Next to it, I draw a giraffe balloon, starting with its nose and eye. Draw two ears. Then I draw a long neck like this. I continue to draw four legs and its tail. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Then I draw a highlight like this. Let's start coloring. To paint this drawing, we only need to use two colors, red and orange. First, I use red to paint this dog balloon. Then I color this giraffe balloon orange. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.